Hey guys, I have a second generation R1S, and I've been having issues with the center console USB-C ports. I finally got some diagnostic tools, and I believe I can at least measure what the problems are. So this device right here is going to show us what volts we negotiate to on the USB PD, and then this device, whoopsies, when we toggle this button, should step it through, and you can see 5, 9, 12, 15, and 20 volts. Those are all the different voltages that USB power delivery can support. So here, we will plug this device in. Now, Rivian claims each of these ports will support up to 60 watts by itself, or 67.5 across the two of them. So that would mean, typically, most likely, if this is for 60 watts, you would do 20 volts up to 3 amps. So what we're going to do is see how this negotiates. So you'll notice that it first negotiates to 5 volts. Now, if I press the button on this tester, you will see, I think we have the bug here. So this is blinking, meaning it is not successfully negotiating to 9 volts. And I press it again, it doesn't do 12, doesn't do 15, doesn't do 20. This is the crux of at least part of the bug, that it sometimes will not negotiate above 5 volts. So let's restart this. Watch, if I unplug this and plug it back in, boot back up, negotiates to 5. Again, 9, nothing, 12, nothing, 15, nothing, 20, nothing. Okay, this will work, and what we will eventually see is that they support 5, 9, and 15 volts. So 5 volts. Okay, well, maybe. I mean, this is clearly a problem, that this will not negotiate over 5 volts. Okay, well, maybe this needs a reset to get it out of this state. But I have seen it before where it will negotiate 5, 9, and 15. And, well, okay. This is clearly a problem. One more, just to show you hopefully the inconsistency. Dang it. Nope. Still not doing anything more than 5. That's a problem. And I guess we'll do we have a baseline here we can run where I will show you a different PD source that does negotiate. Okay, so this one, well, that's clearly a problem. Okay, so our comparison point is this 65 watt USB-C PD charger, and on the specs they say they support all the voltages: 5, 9, 12, 15, and 20, and at 20 volts up to 3.25 amps. That's how they claim 65 watts. So that would mean the Rivian port should, if it supports 60 watts, probably go up to 20 volts, 3 amps. So here you go, just to show you that the tester does work: 5, 9, 12, 15, 20. So I'd anticipate with the Rivian port, it should negotiate up to 20 volts. Doesn't necessarily have to support all the voltages below it, but to hit 60 watts, I believe they're going to need to get all the way up to 20 volts, which clearly right now they're not. So, okay, so this is just showing you that this is what should be happening. And for kicks and giggles, let's see if this will behave differently. We're going to come back here, and again, we'll go to this port just to See if we get any different behavior on the other side. 5. No, not going to negotiate anything over 5. Okay, well, this might need sleep or infotainment reset or something to get it to negotiate over 5. But this is, I believe, the crux of a lot of the USB-C ports problems on the Gen 2 Rivians. 5. There we go. Hey, I'm not crazy. 5, 9, nothing for 12. It will do 15, but it will not do 20. 5, 9. So this seems reasonable. This probably is maybe functional, but clearly I do not believe they support 4 amps at 15 volts. That seems crazy. So they probably should be getting all the way up to 20 volts if they're going to actually support the advertised 60 watts. But I don't see how they would get there today with the only 5, 9, and 15 supported. So, yeah. No 12. We do get 15, but we don't get 20. And again, show you, if we unplug this and plug it back in, run through it again. What do you know? This time, it's not negotiating anything over 5. So we're trying 12 right now, nothing. We're trying 15, nothing. We're trying 20, nada. 5, it works. 9, nothing. 12, nothing. 15, nothing. 20, nothing. So, anybody else seen this? I'd really like to have these ports working as advertised, hoping this information can hopefully help us get to the root problem.